Right, so here I will show you how to create your account, your trading account, be it a demo or live, right? So you're gonna select this part over here first. Okay, go there, you click. After clicking that section, it's gonna take you to manage account. You click there and then you click the plus on top right here. Click on this plus, right, add, and then right here it says open demo. Here it says log into existing account, which means after you registered a real account, then you're gonna click here. But since you are still registering for your demo, you'll have to click on the first one. So you say open demo. After clicking open demo, so you have a MetaCode demo whatsoever, or the broker that you want to demo trade, right? So let's click for MetaCodes, which is the one will come with the platform. After creating MetaCodes, and then you say clear create account after putting in all your registration details, and then you say done. After you click on done, then it's going to take you through to the platform. Firstly, it's going to show you these codes or currencies or pairs. Those are all the terminologies which are used to name these currencies. So this is what you'll be trading. Currencies right now it's Forex. So Forex is generally mean currency pairs. Okay, so if you want to add a new currency, you click right here on the box. Okay, let me go back just a bit. If you want to add something new, you select here or the pen. Okay, so by clicking that additional sign, then it's going to take you into the folders of currency pair. Usually there's more than just one. On a real account there's more than just one. Then you select on Forex, then you get to look at all the other pairs which are not in your platform. As you can see right here, we have gold, we have silver, we have New Zealand versus Japanese yen. Okay, so let's just add gold for this case, right? So we have gold, and then you click back. After clicking back, you come here. You can see your gold is right here at the bottom. So if you just added the new pair, it's gonna go way low at the bottom. So after you click on it, it's going to show you new order, which means if you want to place a trade at that time or you just want to check the charts. These two are not that important, it's just symbols, and numbers of the charts, and all that are irrelevant information. Okay, so after this price, you're gonna say go to charts, because I want to show you something from the charts. Okay, so once you get to the charts, here's what I want to tell you here. The bulls, okay, this is the charts. I will not go further more on the charts right now, because I'm still showing you around the platform how to do other things. So this is going to be your charts. You select this section here for your charts. You select this section here for your codes or currencies where we were last time. And if you have running trade or some running trade, you select this part here to check the running trade, and here you check your history of running trades, and this is the economic calendar right there. Okay, so this will be your chart. This is where you'll be doing most of the work. And then another important part is this section over here. When you click that additional sign, that's where you're executing a trade. You click on the chart, and then it takes you to this part over here. So as you can see, generally it says sell, it says buy. So this is where you'll be executing your trade. And this section over here, it's where you control your risk ratio, your stop loss, or this way, sorry, that's where you put your lot size, the amount of which you are to trade based on your account. Usually we trade 1% of the capital of the account, which is 0.01. Okay, and then on this section here, this is where we put our take profit point, and right there we put our stop loss entry. Okay, in case the trend does not go in favor, so we put a coordinate over there. So one of the digits will be based on these, not specifically these, but when you look at the price of the current situation in that moment. So by looking at the price, you will take the price. Let's say for instance you're selling, when you sell the price from 1618, which means 1618. If you're selling, then you're expecting the price to drop down to maybe 1669, which means if I execute a trade right here, if I click on execution, then my TP will be 1616, which means I'm going to put that over here, 1616, and then my stop loss will be maybe 1620 over here, 1620, just roughly explaining. You can still gonna go furthermore on this. Okay, so after those sections, then you done that's where you execute the trade. You click right here on the additional at the right corner top, so that's where you control all your risk ratio. Okay, and then now when on this F right there, that's where you will find most of the trading indicators. So there, these are the trends, these are the tools that are used to identify the market price and the entries and exits of the market. Okay, but we do not use all of these because some of them are misleading in the market because they are made by the brokers to mislead traders. So we're gonna use a different strategy. There are some of them which you're gonna use, but not everything. Okay, and then there is this cross. We use this to identify the date. Remember that the market is live. The market is live. So if you want to check an event, right there at the bottom, you will find time, and right here on the vertical right, you will find the price. So basically we work with the price and then by looking at the structure. So the structure that you see on the chart is really from the price action. That's why it's called price action, because the candles, they move according to price. And if you could see right here, if you could see right here from where I put it, the price was 1489, and then the price moved from 1489 up to this point right here. We could say it was 1516. So from this moment you can see that the price was pushing up until it got here to 1615. So the price moved from 1489 to 1615. So you can see that was a very powerful move. Okay, so now by identifying the market, then you can be able to place a trade. That is not where we are for the time being. Okay, let me delete this. Let me delete this. Okay, so the other thing, so right here I said this is where you look at your previous trade, and then this is your running trades, your chart, your currency course if you want to go back. And then another thing that you need to know also is when you click, just click on your chart like this, a time or a watch like this is going to appear. Generally what these have, it's time frames. This is H1, H4, daily chart, weekly, monthly chart. So what does this mean? Right here you are looking at a 1 minute chart, which means the market is moving in that time. The 1 minute chart is usually fast, and then 5 minutes is usually faster or slower, so as it go, and the H4 in the daily chart. But most importantly, we focus on these two right there, or three with the H1 chart. These are the most relevant charts that we're going to use, or that we need to work on very, very long time. Okay, so right here it's the F function for trending tools. Remember when I clicked over here and then I show you other trading tools that you can use in the market. So you can also click there, for example, and right here it's also the time frame on the watch right here. So it's also the time frames. When you click there, it's going to show you the time frames. Maybe you want to switch on your chart, quick switch, and then look at the price action on your weekly, on the daily chart. You there, and then you go back to H4, and then the price will change. So it becomes easier. So that was important. This is a platform, MetaTrader 4. This is MetaTrader 4 right here, and then this is where you execute your trades. These are your currency pairs that you can trade, and furthermore, I'm still going to show you how to analyze the market, how to enter, put a stop loss entry, how to identify the type of market, where is the market going in the time. As you can see, I've drawn multiple lines over here. What does these lines mean? How do you use them to make profit? How do you put them in favor for you to make profit? So you will understand all of this in time, since forex trading is practical. So we earn lastly. Okay, so earning is a result of learning. What else? Yeah, that is for now. Thank you.